guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, no pop.
No, put it because I'm getting mad.
Today's video is Fabio's birthday.
Hi guys.
Happy
No,
birthday
you sang yesterday this song.
to...
So today is my actual birthday. Yesterday.
Today's the actual birthday,
It's-
guys. Whatever the video is uploaded, whenever it's uploaded, that's when the birthday is. So today I actually did ask someone, or I ordered flowers for him.
He only did it for you guys because you wanted to look good in front of the camera. He's a liar.
Don't the flowers look so beautiful?
beautiful.
Look at them. How old are you now?
We don't say this.
Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to First Christmas and Alaska milk presentations. So
Christmas again? Christmas already?
already. Oh my God! When I was in the Philippines in September, they were already decorating Christmas trees, and they were already
So
playing
extra.
Christmas songs at the mall.
Oh my God, so extra.
Philippines, yeah, and we started Christmas in September and we finished in March. This is kind of sort of like a try not to cry challenge because it looks like the commercial is gonna be that type of
Perfect
commercial
for my
again.
birthday, I would say.
Yes. Comment below what kind of videos you would like us to react to, and we always love new videos to watch. And if you want to see our reaction, please subscribe and like this video and support our channel. And say comment down below happy birthday Fabio. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
She's already crying. There we go. Okay.
Baby,
Baby, okay.
kaya mo to.
I think I'm gonna cry again.
Oh, she was just trying to do the ponytail, that's all. Oh. An Alaska milk.
Bawat Pasko, there will always be first sa
It's
pamilya namin
cute.
na di ko malilimutan. Yung taon na pinakilala ko yung boyfriend ko.
Oh.
Si Ben po.
Oh!
He's so cute.
He doesn't care.
Ano ka ba naman?
Oh.
Ikaw pala si Ben. Ako sinusunod.
Oh, that's Filipino Christmas. Look how nice the decorations. That's how we celebrate in my country.
Wow, the dessert look good.
I miss spending Christmas in the Philippines.
Yung taon na for the first time ever, may cum laude na siyang apo.
Oh.
At syempre, yung taon na finally, mamang met her first apo sa tuwang.
It's a respect.
I'm respecting you. Oh, grandchild.
I wanna be home for Christmas in the Philippines.
So cute, that baby.
And this year is another first for us.
Wow. What happened? Oh, the dessert.
She's working abroad.
Wait, what?
Oh, someone's missing. The mom is missing. Oh. She's getting old. Is that why they have the black tag? Is that why?
What? I was gonna cry.
Namiss ko naman bigla yung batok ni Mama.
Kung nakikita niyo lang tayo ngayon, hindi lang yan ang aabutin niyo. Paskong Pasko! Ano ba?
Oh my God. Oh, this son.
This is our first Christmas na wala na si Mamang.
Oh my goodness.
Pero ramdam pa din namin ang sarap ng pagmamahal niya.
goodness. Well, happy birthday to me.
I got emotional. I'm not joking. I got teary-eyed. Happy birthday.
I did not appreciate this commercial for my birthday.
I get emotional because my grandma just passed away this year, and she died 2 days after I left Philippines, and I could just imagine my family back home spending Christmas this year without her. Yeah.
Oh well, that was supposed to be my day. It ended up being
To
Yani's
you.
story and everything about Yani as
Okay,
usual.
let's talk about Fabio then. How
Let's talk
old are
about
you
me.
now,
Let's talk-
Fabio?
No, we're not talking about that. We're not. My skin says it all, guys. Look, my skin says my age.
Anyway, this
You see-
video ruined our night. I'm kidding. It was such a sweet video though.
It
Come
was.
on.
It was very well made.
Yeah, it
And
was
the-
nice.
Guys, the actors there in the Philippines, they're so good. Cause they.
What if they're gonna hire us?
It's easy to make me cry. Just pull away my food, and I'll be like.
That's such an ugly face.
Because I don't do pretty ones.
Oh, I do pretty.
I do very dramatic cry.
Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching this video. That was such a video, such a
Enunciate your words.
such a sad video. So if you have more videos that you would like us to react to, please comment down below.
Maybe a bit more comedy.
Comedy, songs, Instagram raids,
Yeah.
comedy, drama, Jollibee commercial. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you all
Thank
next time.
you. See you soon.
Bye.